And today we're going to play the game of What's in the Box. So, this just came for me. We'll see how destroyed it was in shipping. Hopefully they packed it well. This is a used item. We got bubble wrap, which is good. It is. Kind of probably smashed around in here in a bit, but this is exactly what I was going for. That right there is a Kenwood. Looks like that goes right there. Power supply. So that little bar that goes between there or there. A little dirty, but that's okay. As long as it works, I don't care. This was the same type of benchtop power supply I had at Kato in the repair area. And I got some probes coming. I have some that'll fit in there now anyways. But that way I can test amperage draw of motors and stuff like that. New toy. All right, I'm trying to do this one-handed, so I pulled them out. I wiped that case down because it was absolutely friggin' disgusting. So this is a Kato in-scale motor. You hear home and away. We're running at 12 volts. And, you know, a little bit less than, like probably 0.1 of an amp, which is about right. You know, 100 milliamps. Yeah, that's pretty close. I mean, you probably dial it in a bit better, but at 12.02 and it's right on 12, we're going to call that good enough. The only thing I need to do now is pull out a oscilloscope and see if we're getting ripple, but I'm willing to bet with this power supply we're not going to have that issue. Apparently this particular one came from a tattoo parlor because these power supplies are used for tattoo machines. Personally, I just used one at work to test model train motors and other things.